Very good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to grade 5 maths class. Children, today we are going to start the new chapter, operations on large numbers. So mathematics has 4 basic operations. There are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Maths is needed at every step of life and we cannot live without it. It is a subject that is applied to every field and profession. So children, try to understand the maths and do more practice in maths. Okay. Today we are going to see the addition only. Already we know more about addition. Let's recall that. When you combine two or more numbers or quantities, you are using addition. So, see the example. There are two parts of an addition sentence. So, 13 plus 7 equal to 20. So, here 13 and 7 are called addends and 20 is called the sum. So, children listen. The numbers we add are called addends and the answer of addition is called the sum. So the numbers we add are called addends and the answers of the addition is called the sum. So remember these words: in all, altogether, total, sum. These words implies addition. So what are the words? In all, altogether, total and sum. These words are implies addition. Now let us revise the properties of addition. Children, first of all, we should know the meaning of property. So what is property? Property are the law of maths. There are the rules of maths that we must to follow to solve the maths problems. We can say this: what are the rules which we need to follow in solving a maths problem? Properties make easier for us to solve the particular problem or particular question. We apply those properties in that particular problem. It is easy to solve it. Why? We are using the properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division process easy. That's why we are using these properties. So let's take first property of addition. First one is order property. Then second one is grouping property. And third one is addition property of 0. So first let us see the order property. The sum of two numbers is the same when we change the order of numbers. The sum of two numbers is the same when we change the order of numbers. So let us see the example. So 247 plus 165. Children listen. These numbers have 3 places. Isn't it? How many places in this number? 3 places. So what are the places? Ones, tens and hundreds. First you can write the numbers in respective places. So first number is 247. And the second one is 165. So these two numbers are called addends. Now we are going to add this. So 7 plus 5, 12. So you can write 2 here. 1 is carry over to the tens place. So 1 is carry over to the tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. Then 5 plus 6 is 11. So we can write here 1. Again the 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So what is the answer? 412. Okay, now we are adding the 247 and 165. We get the sum is 412. If we change the order, that is, we can write the 165 at the first place, then the 247 in the second place. Now we are going to add this. 5 plus 7 we get 12. So you can write 2 here. 1 is carry out to the tens place. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So we have to write here 1. 1 is carried out to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer is 412. Children, see both answers are same. So when we are adding 247 plus 165 is 412, and 165 and 247 also 412. So we change the order of numbers also, we can get the same answer. See more example, 1420 plus 927. Children listen, it has 4 places. So the places are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So the number 1420 and the second number is 927. So we add these two numbers. Now 0 plus 7 is 7. 7. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So here we can write 3 and 1 is carried out to the thousands place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2347. If we change the order, means we can write 927 and the second number is 1420. Now add these two numbers. 7 plus 0, 7. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So write here 3. 1 is carried out to the thousands place. So 1 plus 1 we can get 2. So listen, here the same. Two sums have, both the sums have same answers. The second property is grouping property. The sum of three numbers is the same when we change the grouping of the numbers. Well, let us see the example 13, 26 and 31. Now we make a group of first and second number. So 13 plus 26 plus 31. Now we are going to add these two numbers at first. So 13 plus 26. First we can start with the addition at the ones place. So 3 plus 6 we get 9. So that in tens place now here is 1, here is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So 13 plus 26 we get 39 plus 31. Now we add the ones place 9 and 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So we can write here 0. 1 is carry out to the tens place. So write here. Okay. Now add the tens place. Here also 3. Here also 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. So 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 70. Okay. Children, now we change the grouping. So now we make a group of the second and third number. So 13 plus 26 plus 31. Now write the 13 as it is. Now we are going to add these two numbers 26 plus 31. So add the ones place 6 plus 1 we get 7. In the tens place 2 plus 3 it is 5. So now add these two numbers 13 plus 57. So 3 plus 7 is 10. So write 0. So 1 is remaining. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. So answer is 70. So see here both answers also same. So when we change the group of the numbers also we get the same number. So one more example 245, 123 and 76. Now we make the group of 245 and 123 plus 76. So add these two numbers. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 4 plus 2 is 6. The hundreds place here 2, 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 368 plus 76. So now add these two numbers. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So 1 we can write in tens place. So here that in tens place is 6. Here 7. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So we can write here 4 and remaining 1. So we can write the 1 in hundreds place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 444. Now we change the group of numbers. So now we make the group in 123 and 76. So 245 plus 123 plus 76. Now we add these two numbers 3 and 6. So we get 9. So 7 and 2 and 7 we get 9. So in hundreds place here 1, there is no number in hundreds place. So we can write the number 1 as it is. The answer is 199. Now we are going to add these two numbers. So 5 and 9. So one's place here is 5, here is 9. So 5 plus 9 is 14. So we can write here 4. 1 is carry out to the tens place. Okay. So now add 1 plus 4 is 5. So here the 9 in tens place. So 5 plus 9 is 14. So write here 4. Again 1 is remaining. So it is carry over to the hundreds place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 444. See, the two sums also have the same answer. So when we change the grouping of the numbers also, we can get the same answer. This is the second property. It is the grouping property of addition. See the third property, properties of 0. When 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. When 0 is added to a number or a number is added to 0, the sum is the number itself. See the example. Suppose we are adding here 14 plus 0. So 14 plus 0, what is the answer, ma? 14. Again 0 plus 14 also, what is the answer? 14. Children, now I am explaining these properties again with some examples. So you can see here two numbers. There are 7280 plus 4298 equal to dash plus 7280. So in between you can see the equal sign. That means the result will come same both the sides, and here only one number is given. So the number is 7280. So which number is missing here? So the missing number is 4298. So it is the order property of addition. See second one. Here the first number is missing. The second one is 15,985. Next one is 15,985 plus 23,140. Here which is missing here? Here the 23,140 is missing. So here 23,140 is the missing number. It is also the order property of addition. See the third one. 16,200 plus dash equal to 16,200. What should be added? This 16,200, that are the result will again coming the same number. Yes, we will 0 to add this number, we get the same number. So whenever we add 0 to any number, the result are not changed. So here the answer is 0. Here the answer is 0. So it is the property of 0. 3,251 plus 2,750 plus 1,200 equal to 3,251 plus 2,750 plus dash. This number is missing. Children listen. Here two numbers is inside the bracket and one number is in outside the bracket. So whenever such situations comes, it is grouping property. So you can see the grouping. Here first and second number is in group. So which number is missing here? So the missing number is 1,200. So the missing number is 1,200. So it is the grouping property of addition. Students, please remember these properties. It is order property of addition and property of zero and the grouping property of addition. So let us see how to add the two numbers. So the first number is 46,259 plus 27,304. Listen children, this number has 5 places. So the places are ones, tens, hundred, thousands and 10,000s. So first you can arrange the numbers in their respective places. So 46,259. So the second number is 27,304. So now we are going to add this number. So first we have to start with the ones place. Whenever we are going to start the addition, we always start in ones place. So 9 and 4 is in ones place. So we have to add this number at first. So 9 plus 4 it is 13. So we have to write 3 here and 1 is carry over to the tens place. Now add the tens place numbers. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus 0 is 6. So next we will go for the hundreds place. So 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Next in thousands place 6 and 7. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So we have to write here 3 and 1 is carry over to the 10,000s place. So 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer is 73,563. Next, find the sum of 15,420, 8,975 and 2,463. So here this number has five places. So we can write the places at first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So the first number is 15,420. The second number is 8,975. And the third number is 2,463. So at first you have to write the numbers in their respective places. So always we have to start in ones place. So 0 plus 5 is 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So we can write here 8. Next tens place 2 plus 7. In tens place 2 plus 7 is 9. And 9 plus 6 is 15. So we have to write here 5 and 1 is carry over to the hundreds place. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So write here 18, 8 here. So 1 is carry over to the thousands place. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So write 6 here. 1 is carry over to the 10,000s place. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 26,858. Thank you.